Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to put a link in your Instagram story. So let's get started. In Instagram, if you have more than 10k followers, then you will get an additional feature of adding a link of a website or direct web link. In this case, I don't have 10k followers, so I will show you the other way to put a link in your story. First, decide what link you want to put in your story. I will put a link of my YouTube channel and copy the link. Now open your Instagram, press the plus icon down in the middle of the page and make a video or choose one from the camera roll. It should be more than a minute long video so you can post it on IGTV. Now tap next and choose long video and continue. Choose your cover and tap next. Now add a title. In description, paste that link and tap post. Now it's added to your feed, and to put it in your story, press the camera icon and take a picture or choose one from the camera roll. On the top, you will see many different options. First, click on the link icon and click on IGTV video and tap on the video and tap done. Now press on sticker icon and search for swipe up sticker and choose one and place it where you want it and tap on your story. Now your followers can swipe up and follow the link from your story. So this is it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. For any queries and comments, you can write it down in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.